How to fix voice chat not working on Roblox. Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video, let's fix out Roblox voice chat not working. You can follow out these steps in order to get it fixed. So let's get started. First of all, let's head over to roblox.com and make sure we are eligible for that. So we can head over to our account and look out for the settings option, the gear icon in the top right. And look out for settings and head over to our profile information. And make sure that your age group is verified, that you are 13 plus, and you need to be verified. If you're not verified, you can follow the process of verification and verify yourself. And then ensure that the voice chat is also enabled. So you can go to the account info and look out for age verified, and you must verify first. Now, if your voice chat is not enabled, look out for this privacy and restriction section, content restrictions. And there we can look out for voice chat option. So find voice chat communication here, look out for voice chat option here. It will only be available if you are eligible for that. And you can toggle it on and save your settings, and you can restart your Roblox. That is possible. And one of the most common fixes what we can do is we can look out for our microphone issues itself in our Windows. So go to our settings of our PC for that and go over the system. After that, go to sound. And under input section, ensure that your device is working correctly, and make sure the volume is up and the mic is also not muted. You can check it out. And apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over to the browser itself. So if you're on browser, you can go to roblox.com, and within here, look out for the option for filter here at the top. And within there, once you click on filter, look out for site settings here and ensure that the microphone option is allowed. Tap on allow and allow it, and you can restart the Roblox application once again. Apart from that, sometimes it may be server issues. You can log out and log back in, and also update your Roblox and restart your device. And also try switching between games to see if it's the issue. But one of the most common reason voice chat fails is if you're not verified and your microphone permission is denied. So you can follow this methods for that and let us know in the comments if it worked for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.